folks, we told you we were going to have pigs decide, and this is the way we're going to have the pigs decide. Pig racing! That's right! One of these winning pigs is going to receive a cookie, and one of these pigs is going to be the prize. Yes, we are giving away a major prize, and we are deciding it by these pigs that we are racing. Yes, pig number 1, Mary Poppins. Pig 2, a Pear. Pig number 3, Softhead Donald Duck. Pig number 4 is Make a Face. And pig number 5, everybody's favorite, Choice out of the dollar box. All right, we have the pigs here ready, and they are off. We have Mary Poppins taking the quick lead here, followed by a Pear and Make a Face, but around the turn it's, Choice out of the dollar box and Softhead Donald Duck. Softhead Donald Duck and Choice out of the dollar box, and it is, which one? It's Softhead Donald Duck by a nose! Unbelievable, folks! At the ThePIG4All in Cincinnati, Ohio, they will be giving away a Softhead Donald Duck to someone who registers. So be sure to register and check out more information at thepigevents.com.